longer about BBI. It is about 2022.
Kitu ya kwanza ni one man, one vote, one shilling.
It is about respecting each and every party. The only way we can be respected is when we can be able to command the ground. On strengthening GSP, given the constraints of COVID-19 as a party. As a cabinet secretary, I'm glad that in his address, the President acknowledged that all agricultural production at all levels has gone up. During the 4 years since December 2015 that I have served in this capacity, I have gained immeasurable experience, exposure, and have an insider's view of how government works, courtesy of His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta.
Hii kaunti zote za Mount Kenya, Igiraito Mronge peke yake na Martha Karua wamekuwa kwa siasa miaka mingi kuliko. Uhuru Kenyatta amekuta pale na tumeketi na Ruto. Kwa hivyo tumejionea mengi. Maiki kahi kogi kamu mwimi katagenyo kuigeta. Tumesikia mengi na tumeyaona. We have gone through hell. One thing ambaye hatutakubalia rais afanye ni atusukume kwa kona alafu aendelee kutuharibia majina. That will not happen. That cannot happen in the church. Whether you kusukume, you never gave reasons why you fired me. Now you want to insinuate that I didn't perform. This government has performance contracts. Every minister has a performance contract and they are appraisals. If I never performed, the ministers are there. He can show us. Babu ya kitu moja peke yake, seats that have been allocated. It's about members of parliament. Na mnakumbuka mimi nilienda bunge mwezi wa 10 2019 wakati bado nilikuwa minister. Nikakusanya watu wetu wote na nikawaelezea ile katiba inataka kuandikwa haina maneno yetu. Tukasema kitu ya kwanza ni one man, one vote, one shilling. What we are trying to address in this constitution ni haya maneno yetu kama mlima. Kama haya yataondolewa, the issue of one man, one vote, one shilling inaondolewa, I can assure you I will lead no campaign. Hiyo wakiondoa, I will be one of the person to lead no campaign.
Number 2, we talked of guaranteed minimum returns to the farmer. Tukasema if BBI, you never address those issues, for us it's a big no. And every declaration was very clear on the issues affecting Mount Kenya region and the country. And our stand was very firm that there is no BBI, there is no referendum without our irreducible minimum. And our question was very clear, our mind was very clear.
If you go down and to the villages, you realize that our people are becoming poorer each and every day. COVID is here with us. Already there is hunger in this country. If you look at all the radios, television, every one day we are talking of issues to do with mental health. Suicide rates are very high. Alcoholism. You get our people are jobless. And all what we are asking, if really this government is serious, why don't you divert those funds that you intended to use for the referendum to sort out those issues that are affecting the common man? If you want to remain in your own party somewhere and you don't want other people to join you, well and good, that is your democratic right. But what we have agreed as leaders from Mount Kenya region, we shall only support from our own parties, and that one, take it to the bank. Anybody who is dreaming somewhere in a certain corner that parties will be dissolved, please forget it. This country you cannot do without coalitions, and coalitions are coming. And we have said again, for Mount Kenya region, our freedom is now coming.
Na
wakati niliamuka asubuhi, Bwana Deputy, mimi kuna wimbo ambaye naibaga kila asubuhi, kwa sababu mimi ni mtu ambaye anaogopa Mungu, kwa sababu zile shida nimepitia, yale nimeona, najua tu ni Mungu ambaye ananiweka sawa sawa. Na ndokira rucini nyina akariboka irago ni ukundongoria Mwathani, ni ukundongoria Mwathani, na niĩ nĩngũkena muno. Hiyo hivyo inasema ukiamuka na Mungu ameshika mkono yake, ile yote utaomba lazima utapokea.